Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to record the browser tab with OBS. To record the browser tab with OBS on Windows, follow these easy steps. Download and install OBS Studio from obsproject.com if you haven't already. Once installed, open OBS Studio on your PC. Click the plus or add button, or by right-clicking on the empty space in the sources section at the bottom. Hover to add, then choose window capture from the list. Name the source and click OK. In the Properties window, click the Window drop-down menu and choose your browser tab. For example, Edge, Firefox, or Google Chrome. So I choose Google Chrome from the drop-down menu. If the tab isn't appearing, make sure the browser is open and running before selecting it. Optional. Enable Capture Cursor if you want the mouse pointer to be visible. Adjust the window size or crop the view if needed by resizing the capture area. Click OK to save the settings. Now, go to Settings, Output, and choose your preferred recording format. For example, MP4, MKV, etc. Hit Apply, then OK to save the changes. And now, click the Start Recording button in the Controls panel on the right side. Once done, click Stop Recording. Your video will be saved in a default output folder. You can check it by going to Settings again, then Output, and Recording Path to see where you saved it or where you want to change it. Now, you're ready to record any browser tab with precision using OBS Studio. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.